The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say respect to each and everyone. Now, I'm going to say something very quick and fast right about now, you see me? I saw a video that is out on social media that shows off the entertainer that is known as Dexta Daps. You know, the Jamaican musician, or some people would call him Jamaican artist, you know what I mean? Now, I saw the video where he not only fell on stage, but he also jumped off the stage into the crowd. You see me? Which is something I wouldn't encourage anyone to do, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Because it is very dangerous. And over the years I've seen where persons attempt something like this and ended up on the ground hurting themselves because the crowd shift and give them way, letting them fall. You see me? But anyways, I wouldn't encourage anyone to do that, so don't try it. Now, I'm not here to talk about where he performed or anything like that. I'm here to talk about his performance, viewers and subscribers. See me? And in my point of view, Dexta Daps' performance is one of the best performances, you know, throughout the whole of the Jamaican entertainers or artists them. You see me? Because listen me now. Because even Footer I talk about it the other day, really and truly, right? A lot of Jamaican entertainers or Jamaican artists, they are good. They can voice and record everything and their music sound good and so forth, and we give them props for that and all them things, you see me? But when it comes to the stage performances, it is a problem, right? Now, Elephant Man, top of the line when them man they perform. Beenie Man, Bounty, not for them man they know for it. But the ones they are mostly talking about, like I said, the Footer hype talk about it. You have some entertainers that is like them just come up. Some people call them young entertainer or young artists, right? Their performances is not so much with the energy. And a lot of people say that, yo, Dexta Daps performances for the ladies, you know, and believe you me, anybody will perform for the ladies, me like that, because believe you me, it's all about the ladies. It's always good to entertain the ladies. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, but really and truly, I'm telling you, some of the entertainers need to really stop with the whole heap of violence and gun lyrics and them things and start to look in their performances, because a lot of complaints have been given out there about their performances. Alright, it is weak and it needs a change. Alright, so I'm not here to disrespect anyone. I'm here to give my full opinion on certain things, as well as to let people know what's going out there. And if me wrong, and if me right, but you can let me know what you think about this, alright? And my opinion is that Dexta Daps is one of the best performance on stage, right? It's one of the artists that give the best performances out there, alright? So let me know what you think about what I just said. You see what I say? Yeah, alright. Well, anyways, yes, I'm gonna leave it, viewers and subscribers. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?